General Motors is rumored to be exploring a future electric muscle car concept, often referred to as Project Eon. In this video, we break down what a silent electric muscle car from GM could look like, how it might work, and why it could redefine performance in the electric era. Deep within General Motors' high-security innovation ecosystem, beyond restricted labs and prototype development zones, engineers are quietly rethinking one of America's most iconic ideas, the muscle car. Not louder, not more aggressive, but silent. This rumored internal concept, often imagined as Project Eon, asks a radical question. What if a muscle car didn't need to roar to be feared? For decades, American performance has been defined by sound. Thunderous exhaust notes, vibrating garages, and engines that announced their presence long before they arrived. But in an electric future, GM's vision of performance may rely on something far more unsettling: speed without sound. The idea behind Project Eon isn't just electrification, it's control. A machine capable of launching from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, while moving through the night with almost no audible presence. No engine scream, no exhaust crackle, just motion. To make something like this possible, engineers would need to solve a problem few automakers openly discuss. While electric motors are quieter than combustion engines, at extreme power levels, they generate high-frequency resonance, vibration, and drivetrain harmonics that traditional insulation can't fully eliminate. A future solution could involve advanced chassis isolation, vibration-absorbing composite materials, and active noise cancellation systems built directly into the vehicle's structure. Instead of masking sound, the car would neutralize it, turning vibration into controlled energy rather than noise. Even the tires would need rethinking. Future concepts point toward low-resonance tire designs with internal acoustic foam, similar to aerospace landing gear technology, reducing road noise without sacrificing grip. The goal isn't silence for comfort, it's silence as a performance strategy. Powering a concept like Project Eon would likely be GM's next-generation electric architecture, building on the Ultium platform with multiple high-output motors. In theory, a tri-motor configuration could deliver over 1,000 horsepower instantly, distributing torque with extreme precision, all without the drama of traditional mechanical noise. To onlookers, such a car wouldn't announce itself, it would simply appear, fast, composed, and eerily calm. A muscle car that doesn't shout, but dominates. Of course, for many enthusiasts, the idea of a silent muscle car feels almost sacrilegious. The exhaust note has always been the heartbeat of American power, but GM's potential vision reframes the argument. Silence isn't weakness, it's efficiency. Every decibel removed is energy redirected into acceleration, stability, and control. This wouldn't be the death of the muscle car, it would be its evolution. Inside GM's future-focused labs, performance is no longer measured by how loud a car sounds, but by how precisely it moves. And while no official announcement has been made, the direction is clear. The next era of American muscle may not roar at all. Somewhere in Detroit, the future of performance is already taking shape, quietly. And if Project Eon ever becomes reality, it might just be the loudest statement GM has ever made, without making a sound.